Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that SMX token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, SMX.io is a community funding platform built on RWA and engaged to earn dynamics, specifically designed for the entertainment industry. The platform allows projects and creators to get funding through their community by tokenizing their channels and rewarding their members through perks and benefits. How it works users join snapmouse.io, discover the latest creators and studies looking to fund their unique ideas, learn what's in it for you, discover the rewards and benefits, buy the NFTs from projects people did like to be part of, start claiming rewards RWA for being active in the community, and enjoy all the perks offered. Snapnews.io project institution rating is 4.1 and this project audited by Ceritic. Snap News token total supply is 500 million and circulating supply is around 226.39 million. SMX token is listed on Gate.io, MEX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.